Welcome back to the channel. If your PC ever crashes or fails to boot, you're going to wish you had a backup plan, and today, we're building one. We are creating a Windows 11 recovery drive, your ultimate break glass in case of emergency tool. First, plug in a USB drive with at least 8 GB to 16 GB of space. Make sure it's empty, as we'll start by right-clicking the drive in this PC and selecting Format. Set the file system to FAT32, hit Start, and once that's cleared, we are ready to build. Next, search for Control Panel and navigate to the Recovery section. Click Create a Recovery Drive and hit Yes on the prompt. Now, pay close attention to the checkbox that says Backup System Files to the Recovery Drive. For this tutorial, we are leaving this unticked. By unchecking this, the process is much faster and requires less space, as it only creates a basic bootable toolkit to repair startup errors or use command prompt, rather than a full Windows reinstallation image. Select your drive, click Next, and then Create. In just a few minutes, you'll have a powerful repair tool sitting in your pocket. It's a simple step that saves a massive headache later. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.